Well, good morning everyone. Today I'm helping someone move into a new apartment or room. It is a Thai room, Thai prices. We're now down at the street where the room is. We're just off of Soi Buakhao, so if I just spin myself round, behind me in the far distance you can see that's Soi Buakhao, little Thai street that people don't, if you're in Pattaya, very rarely do any of the tourists or the Falangs come down. This is a typical Thai residence. There's lots of little businesses and little rooms, apartments, and this is where the locals stay when they're working in Soi Buakhao or the immediate area. This is the street that we're actually moving into, or a friend of ours are moving into. She's a Thai girl. As I say, there's little cooking businesses going on here. They prepare the food ready for selling down the market or wherever. Thai houses, there's just a couple of floors. Nothing spectacular, but this is how, this is typical Thai style. People do make it a little bit homely. There's quite nice little balconies and little parking spaces. There's even, as you come down here, you can buy your water, 5 baht, one baht per litre. And then you've also got washing machines. So you've got 20 baht washing machines and a 50 baht washing machine for a big load. Then you've got this this apartment or this residence here, lots of greenery, and this is the typical street. Now we are in this building, the pink building. I've got Ruby with me. There she is, all parked up in the shade because it's very, very hot again today. So let's go in, have a look. And we've got some very steep stairs here. And just looking at this apartment or this block of rooms, looks like there's 2-3 rooms down that way. We're a little bit further down in here. Right, and this is the room. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms down here. Right, so this is the typical room that you, when they work in. It's literally very basic. So you've got a bed. You've got the wardrobe, and you've got a wet room, shower, cold water only, and WC. All very basic. This is what the bar people use, the workers around here, they use. Now this room will cost you 3,500 baht per calendar month. So that's the type of, or the price range that the workers in the bars, they pay for their rooms. No aircon, just a fan. So there you have it. Well, of course, we've settled in the room. We've just had to come down to Beach Road because there's a Buddha here that all the girls that come here pray to for health, wealth and happiness. So this is where we've come to. Hang on, let me just turn round. Now this is the Buddha that the girls come to when they come to Pattaya for good luck and give thanks. So what happens, buy some offerings here. There's offerings that you get here, flowers, incense, water, drinks, and then you give offerings to the Buddha, which is there underneath this old tree. There's also a horse here I don't know exactly what this one's all about, but there we are. We're on the beach. There's the beach. Pattaya Bay. It's a lovely day today, been really hot. So it's low season, so there's not many people around, but there's plenty of people using the sea, the boats, for a bit of cooling off and recreation. So this is where all the girls come to give thanks when they're working, asking Buddha to give them plenty of money so they can send it home or take it home for their families. So I stand a respectable distance away. So what have we got? We've got the traditional red drinks, fruits, and some fruit, plus the flowers, the incense, and some oil. You can also, if you want, in the donation box as normal by all Buddhas. And it's located under this tree. So to give you an idea where we are, this is the bottom of Soi 6, which is over there. That's Soi 6-1. And that is Holiday Inn down that end. I think this is the only one that the girls come to. I don't think the guys come here so much, but this is definitely all the girls here. You've got a couple of Changs there, just guarding the Buddha. And for good luck, you got the cockerels. All the cockerels there you can buy for good luck.